Hey, this is Anthony from CarPlayLife.com, and today we're looking at the USB-C Pro Hub for the MacBook, MacBook Air and MacBook Pro devices. So this is a sort of wireless hub in terms of that there's no additional wire. It plugs straight into the actual MacBook itself and gives you the ability to use some additional ports that you probably wouldn't have on your MacBook, such as a USB A ports, 2 of them on this hub, and the HDMI to cast 4K video to a display, a bigger TV display for example, or for conferencing. And you've also got a pass-through USB port here to continuously charge your MacBook with if you're limited on ports, or use a USB hard drive or memory stick for example on your MacBook. And finally there is this port here which looks super tiny and not right, but as soon as you open that up it kind of makes sense, and this is your Ethernet port to connect to a network if you're in an office environment, or if you don't have Wi-Fi available and you can use a hard line such as Ethernet, you can use this port here to connect your MacBook to an Ethernet. And you can see there's 2 USB ports here which are perfectly aligned to plug into your MacBook here like that. Oh, and on the other end you've got a micro SD slot here to expand your storage capacity. So for example, you could put in quite a high gigabyte card in there, and if you're limited on space on your MacBook and you don't mind having this permanently connected to your laptop, you could actually expand the overall storage to your MacBook potentially. So it's a nice little hub. Saves worrying about wires or additional wires to connect to it, so that's handy there. And your Ethernet can just connect to the back here if you're in an office environment and you have it in it flat. But today I've got it on this stand also from Satechi. You can check my other video on this soon on that. So it's a nice device, enough ports here to expand the usability of it, and look out for our review on the USB-C Pro Hub from Satechi soon on CarPlayLife.com. Alright, that's all for now, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers. Bye.